Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with your mobile device. First, fully charge your smartwatch, ensuring it has enough power for the setup process. Next, make sure your mobile device's operating system is up to date for optimal compatibility. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and successful connection between your two devices, minimizing potential issues. Every smartwatch requires a specific companion application, usually found on your phone's app store. Search for your watch brand's official app, like Fitbit or Galaxy Wearable, and then download and install it. This app acts as the bridge, facilitating communication and data transfer between your mobile and your new wearable. Ensure your phone has sufficient storage space, typically less than 100 megabytes, before starting the download. With the app installed, open it and enable Bluetooth on both your mobile and your smartwatch. The app will guide you to add a new device or pair device from its main menu. Keep your smartwatch within 2 to 3 feet of your phone to ensure a strong signal during the pairing process. Select your watch from the list of discovered devices and confirm any on-screen prompts, often a 6-digit code. Once paired, your mobile device and smartwatch will display a confirmation message, often showing a successful connection. The companion app will then prompt you to complete initial setup steps, such as setting your preferred language or personalizing watch faces. Allow approximately 5 to 10 minutes for any necessary software updates or data synchronization to complete. This ensures all features are ready for use, from notifications to activity tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.